So like I said, I was gonna try the sticky rice. I've come to this location with a couple of my friends, and we're about to see what's popping. So that's the rice. Oh! So she got some condensed milk, the sticky rice, and we pour it on there, and then boom, popping that one open.
Take it like this, and you take it like that.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe. I'm next. The condensed milk is warm too. I got a feeling this is banging.
Yum. This is. Cheers.
Cheers, mate. It's kind of like an oatmeal vibe. It's giving me fruit oatmeal vibe.
He was trying to be nice about it. I could see it. I've been here for too long.
Okay, so shout out to the homegirl for still introducing this spot to us. Yeah, it's what do you think?
It's alright.
It's alright. Okay.
10 out of 10. He's lying. It is 10 out of 10.
She said it's a 10 out of 10. We're gonna take her word for it. Let's wrap it up right there. Mango sticky rice. Honestly, I'm gonna give it I gotta give it a 6 out of 10.
Damn, I was gonna say.
I gotta be 100.
0.5.
0.5.
0.5. You tasted it? No. Yeah.
All right, so how much was this?
For 2, and you go times 2.
160 baht. So this is 80 baht per stack. You guys let me know when you come to Thailand, are you trying sticky rice? Are you getting it with the condensed milk? Are you getting the works? Shout out to this location though. They are usually bumping, so you feel me? People enjoy this spot right here. We gonna see what's the flow for me. Overall, still a good experience, yeah.